let's take a look at how to delete a credit card from your Amazon account. So I'll leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It'll take you right to your purchasing methods. But if you want to navigate to it, you just go to your account over here, find account, and then we're going to open that up. We have orders, addresses, and your payments. So we're going to go to your payments. Inside of your payments, you'll see your wallet where your credit cards are. So what you can do with this is basically select one of your cards, and then you can go and edit your card. And once we're in here to edit the card, in the lower left-hand corner is remove from wallet. And so when we click on that red button, it's going to remove that card from our wallet. And it's going to ask us again, do we want to do this? Of course, we're going to click remove on that, and we're going to pull that credit card out from our account. So that's how you can delete a credit card off of your Amazon account.